Hi everyone, my name is Twinkle and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I wanted to say this for the longest time. I know I wasn't active on YouTube, but now I am back. So shoot your questions in the comments below. Whatever questions you had related to why I was inactive, I can shoot a different video and we can do like a chit chat, get ready with Twinkle video. Now today's video is a very unique video. Now if you follow me for the long time, you know that I posted a story on Instagram back in August asking you all about I'm trying a new hair tool and if you all wanted a review on that. So I have that now, a full legit review, and I'm going to talk about the product called, it's right here with me, it's the Hair Sensation Pro one step hair dryer and styler. So this is how the box is and this is how the styler looks like. It's very similar to the Revlon one you must have seen, and it says Hair Sensation Pro right here. From here you can control the heat, so it's off, cool, low and high. I'll talk about it more when we get into the video. I'm gonna mention the link, the Amazon link, in the description box below, and the prices would be in the description box below. So first I will be demonstrating the product on my hair. Now for using this particular product, this particular dryer, your hair should be 70 to 80% dry. I washed it few hours ago. I can still feel the moisture here, and that's why they're frizzy and all messed all over the place. So that's how my natural hair looks like. And before using any hair tool, you're supposed to use a heat protectant spray or serum. Whichever the brand you like, you can use that. I already did use the serum right after washing my hair, so I'm gonna skip that today in the video, but I already did that. So now let's just jump into the demonstration. So I'm just going to turn it into the high setting. The low one is the lower heat and the cool one doesn't have the heat. So we'll just turn it on. So now I just switched it back to the side parting. I kind of like it this way, and that's how I carry it every single day. So yeah, I'm more used to seeing myself like this. Now as you can see, like, it has done a very good job. Like, I can definitely see like a shine in my hair. They're way more manageable and they're just nice. It looks like you've done straightening, but it doesn't look artificial, you know. So yeah, that's what I feel. The only downside is like I can still feel the heat, and that's not the case when I use like a regular blow dryer. So that's my issue. The second issue, and which kind of bugs me, is that like whenever I use it, like as you can see, I know it's gross, but like some of my hair gets stuck inside, like between the bristles. And this particular thing, it's metal, so it gets very hot. Other than that, like, I don't have any other negative thing to say about it. It's nice, it works, and it's been almost more than 6 months since I'm using it, so it's like a fair share, like a fair amount of time to test a product and then come here and talk about it. So I feel like I've given like a good chunk of time, and then I am doing this review, if that makes sense. And it stays like this, I would say, for 3 days, not more than that. So yes, keep that in mind. It's very good if you're traveling or something like that in future. Yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thank you. Bye.